Hi guys, Jude from School Kids. Today I'm doing a video and it's Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas everyone. And I got a 100k pack before, and I got some FIFA points. So I opened one of them before like recording, and I didn't really get anything. So I'm going to be doing I'm going to be opening another one and seeing what I get, and then after that I'll do a draft, and I'll just show you the pack probabilities. Okay, so I'm going to be opening it now and hope I get something good. Ooh, controls switched off. Okay. Come on! Come on! Please. Oh, it's no walkout, but it's a board. Oh, that's the guy I needed, and he's worth like 7k. So annoying.
You just spent 100k. 100k pack for late for.
It's so annoying. It's literally every time I open a bad pack, I get something terrible. But then, if
Shocker.
Yeah.
A lot of 83s for
SBCs.
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing good there, so I'll just say it. And now I'll be doing a draft. So I think I'm going to do a single player one. Come on.
Yeah, you can have it. I'll set it up as well.
Okay. So I'm going to be doing it on professional because I only try world class when I'm doing just single player matches. So yeah. It's just annoying though, because whenever I buy a good pack, I never get anything. Okay, so yeah, now I've just got to turn my controller off, because it's just playing up. It's been playing up recently. But okay, 2-6. Okay, so first pick, who are we gonna get as a captain? Ooh, I think I've got to go for Messi. Got to. Never miss Messi. Don't know if I'll regret that, but you know. Anyway, put the stuff in the comments if you think I've chosen the wrong person. But I think I'm gonna go for Suarez. For any of these people, if you think I've chosen the wrong person, just tell me in the comments. And then, because I'm not the best at drafts, am I right? But just tell me. Absolutely dog poo. I like the card, but I don't like people. Ooh, Modric. Oh, I should have taken that Benzema. No, I shouldn't. Rakitic. They get a link, and then. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for Jadon Sancho, even though I could get the other guy, but you know, taking a risk. See, that's why you always take risks, because they pay off. Ooh, beast. I've got to go for Stegen. Oh. Okay, so I need a left mid, maybe a left wing because of thingy. What's he called? Oh no. Out of all the ones I need just one defender. One decent. Yes. Okay. The FIFA gods have been listening to me. Oh my gosh. I'm not even picking it up. Okay. Now we're on 95 chem. Oh yes. Brilliant. And he's a left mid as well. Oh, guessing. We've got full chem. Now I just need good players. And anybody if I can, like... Okay. I'm just gonna go for high rated ones. Ooh, yeah. Wait, who should I go for? I've got to go for the team of the year nominee. Oh, nice. You're gonna be mad at me, but I'm gonna keep Sancho in, I think. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna go for Griezmann. I might get a lot of hate in the comments, but... Ooh, I can fit him there. And that puts the rating to 88. Not the best rating. Ooh, that's nice. Bit of Mane. Salah. Don't worry, I'll be putting these on in the actual matches. Benucci. Who's got the better card? Goretzka. Okay, manager. I want like Solskjaer. I've got to go for him because he's the main league I've got. I can make it high rating. There's Teddy coming up the stairs. My brother. Okay, 2 secs. I'll come back when I've done the team. Okay, so that's my team. It's a 189. So then I'll come back to you once I have done all of the matches. See you then. Okay, so I've done the draft and I got to the final. So let's collect what I get and see what I get. Come on. Alright, but not the best. For the final, you're getting that. So it's Premium Gold Pack and then Jumbo Premium 26 pack. I got, what's it called out of Inform 89 money. So I'll see you when I'm opening it. Okay, so I'm now going to be opening the packs. Hopefully I get something good. Oh, sorry. First pack. Probably won't get anything. No, nothing good. The only good thing about them is that it's tradable, so I can sell my stuff. By the way, guys, Merry Christmas. Okay, I'll just be 2 minutes, get the next pack. Okay, so Jumbo 26 pack. This is actually okay. Come on. It's nothing. So basically, a rubbish video today. Thanks for watching, guys. Skill Kids out.